Meet Billy.
That's right, Frosty. Billy said meet him here for the Snowstorm and to bring a spare fuse from his toolbox.
Well, I'm...
Oh, Billy, what have you done?
What was that bang?
Oh, hello, Frosty, Rudolph. I'm in the middle of doing some last-minute rewiring for
The snow-covered skyline at night.
A winter snowstorm is in sight.
excitement. They twinkle and sparkle, snowflakes they will swirl and jingle. The sight will be so lovely and bright. It will shine. Now it's time for the suns everywhere, over here and over there. Christmas sparkles for you and for me. Spread the sparkles over the tree. Five, four, three, two, one. 2, 3 for the Christmas. Oh, look! He's on the roof.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Try again.
Oh, yes, Father Christmas. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. And since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally say goodnight, how I hate going out in the snow. But if you really hope these is the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Fast away the old years. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Join in too.
Christmas spirit filled with love. Let the snowstorm over our barn.
Look! Something's happening!
Keep wiggling those fingers and pause.
It's
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, amazing!
It is awesome!
It's beautiful.
Isn't it wonderful?
Merry Christmas.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye, everyone, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for taking part in tonight's snowstorm. We hope you enjoy the rest of your Christmas holiday here at Butlins.